So you might be taking attendance like this, and this is totally a good way to take attendance. If you have all your students here on the left side and you have every day of the week here, or you're doing every single day, like you have the date here, totally fine. You're going to want to insert a checkbox here, and you can do that for the entire column and also all of these columns as well. So we can just copy paste these checkboxes. And as we go through each day, you can check off everyone who's here or everyone who's not here, or check off everyone with just a simple spacebar and then check off the people who are not here. Maybe that's easier to actually say everyone's here except for, say, Carla. And as you're doing this, you can get a percentage or a count no matter what you want. You can do a count, and let's insert another row here. Let's insert another column here and get a percentage of attendance. So our count equals count if, and we're going to select the entire area that we want to count, have a comma. I'm going to add a comma, and then we're going to look for all the true. And here it'll count all the true. We can autofill. And a percentage, we want to know which percentage of these are true. So we get to, let's say these are done. We want to know which ones are 100% and which ones aren't. So we're going to, you can reference this cell, but we can also use the exact formula here, but we can say equals count if true. What we need to do is actually do if true divided by count if true plus the sum of count if true and count if false. So put false here. Make sure we only have one equal sign. And we're going to get a 1 here, but this is a percentage, so we need to select format as percent, and then we can copy and paste this all the way down. We can copy and paste this all the way down. We can also format it, decrease the decimal places here, and we get now a clear 100% or 80% attendance.